How to see deleted messages on your Android. I will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your Android. Then, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and look for Recycle Bin or Trash. If this option is available, tap it to see messages that were deleted recently. Messages are usually kept here for up to 30 days before being permanently removed. If you can't find your deleted messages in the Recycle Bin or Archive, you may still be able to restore them from a backup. To check your backup, open Settings, then tap Google. Next, tap Backup, and make sure Backup by Google One is turned on. If you have a backup that includes SMS and MMS messages, you may be able to restore those messages by restoring your phone from that backup. Keep in mind that restoring a backup usually resets your phone to the state it was when the backup was created, so only use this method if necessary. And that's it. These are the best ways to check for deleted messages on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.